Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Crypto markets found fresh momentum on Ethereum's Pectra upgrade and a Bitcoin surge near $104,000, while spot ETFs set new records. Coinbase drew mixed analyst reviews after reporting a 12% revenue decline to $2.03 billion, and revealing a $2.9 billion Deribit takeover expected to close by year-end. Despite softer trading volumes, subscription services grew 9% and USDC balances jumped. The exchange also rolled out around-the-clock Bitcoin and Ethereum futures and quietly invested $150 million in crypto alongside operations, though executives stress it is not a treasury play. Now let's get into the details. Coinbase faces macro and regulatory risks, highlighted by an SEC commissioner who warned that a recent settlement with Ripple Labs could weaken oversight. At the same time, Senate Democrats pressed for Treasury and Justice Department probes into Binance's ties to former President Trump and urged blocking big tech stablecoins in the Genius Act rewrite. On the continental front, Gemini secured a MiFID II license from Malta, allowing perpetual futures across the European Economic Area, while Rumble announced a non-custodial Bitcoin and USDT wallet with Tether due in the third quarter to fuel creator payouts. Security remains crucial as Checkpoint Research reports the Inferno Drainer resurfacing to steal over $9 million from 30,000 wallets via phishing on Discord. Users are advised to vet sites and bots carefully. Market turbulence triggered over $1.1 billion in liquidations as traders adjusted to Bitcoin's rally and Ethereum's weekly 25% surge post-upgrade. The CoinDesk 20 index climbed 6% with Uniswap up double digits and near close behind. Institutional offerings expand with US spot Bitcoin ETFs, hitting a lifetime flow record of $40.3 billion led by IBIT. Flowdesk launched a new credit desk to integrate lending and structured credit. In Asia, Metaplanet raised $21.25 million in zero-coupon bonds to buy more Bitcoin and push its holdings above 5,500 BTC. BlackRock also met the SEC's crypto task force to discuss tokenization and ETP rules. On the policy side, New Hampshire became the first U.S. state to approve a strategic reserve law. Similar debates gained steam in Taiwan and Ireland, where UFC star Conor McGregor and legislator Ko Ju-chun backed national Bitcoin reserves as a hedge. Vice President J.D. Vance will headline the Bitcoin conference late in May, following last year's presidential appearance. Whale activity hints at a shifting cycle as CryptoQuant reports large holders added 41,000 coins, and CEO Ki-Young Ju advises tossing out old cycle theory. Analyst Darkfost compares today's setup to mid-2020 conditions of mixed narratives and steady accumulation. In altcoins, the Doodles community received a 30% airdrop of Doodie on Solana, and meme coin launchpads on PumpSwap reached 100 million in TVL, amid a broader meme comeback. Dogecoin raced higher, even as an official Diddy token rally collapsed under legal scrutiny. A papal conclave on Polymarket reminded bettors that rare events can confound odds. Traditional companies made moves as Wellgistics Health adopted XRP for payments and treasury. The Samurai Wallet case saw prosecutors defend a delayed FinCEN disclosure, and UK police arrested 3 in a £20 million scam. A ghost of Pac-Man nostalgia hits as the sector adapts fast. Looking forward, ARK Invest's Cathie Wood expects AI and Bitcoin to power a productivity-led US expansion, bringing inflation down and driving a long-term Bitcoin target of $1.5 million. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready,